Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are doing my April 2021 Empties video, and I actually don't have a ton to go over this month, so let's go ahead and just dig right in. The first thing I have is the face mask that came in the Medusa's Makeup subscription. This was the Blueberry Repair Calming Facial Mask by Beauty Host, and it was okay. Nothing special. I mean, the scent was kind of strange. I wouldn't sneak this out and buy it myself, but it was fun to use. Next we have, I guess we'll stick on the face care trend there. We'll stick with that theme to begin with. From Pacifica we have the Acne Defense Face Wash, which I had been using in the shower, and I think is a very, very nice face wash, and it's definitely something I would repurchase. This is not for every single face wash Pacifica makes, but most of their face washes are very good. The ones that are in the longer tubes, I think it's like a bluish one, a pink one, a green one, and then there's one other color, and then this one, are all really good, solid, and financially accessible face washes. So definitely something I would repurchase in the future. Let's see, any other skincare. I also finished the Pacifica Natural Beauty Glow Baby Youth Salvation Walnut Scrub. I had been using this on my face very gently, and I had decided that I just wanted to use it up because it was kind of old. It doesn't want to focus. There we go. And I finished this off by using it on my body, and it's an okay scrub as far as body goes. Nothing special. For the face, I do think the walnut bits are a little large, and if you use it, you need to have the gentlest of all gentle hands because it can be very aggressive. So not something I plan on repurchasing, but I did finish it up. Anything else skincare wise? I finished the 103 Collection Antioxidant Facial Moisturizer. And when I say finish, I mean that, not really, because all of this was stuck down in there and the pump just isn't strong enough to get it out. I was using this on my body though. Didn't want to use this on my face, so I mean, I didn't think it was good enough to put on my face, so it must not be that interesting. It was just okay on the body, nothing special. So that's my thoughts on that. Next, let's swing to dental care. I finished the Hello Naturally Healthy Natural Mint mouthwash. That's a tongue twister. And this is my favorite mouthwash. This is the one that I will be repurchasing over and over again. I also finished Hello's Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste in Natural Peppermint. Also my favorite, also the one I plan to continually repurchase. So yeah, the only thing I don't like about this is with the packaging, I know there's still toothpaste down in here and I can't bend it enough to get it all out, and there's only so much that a little squeezer will do. Like, it can't go any further at that point. So that's kind of annoying that I know there's probably, I don't know, a week's worth of use is still in there, and I mean that might be generous, and I can't get to them. So I'm a little annoyed by the packaging, but this is still a really good toothpaste, and this is the one I will be repurchasing when I need to repurchase toothpaste. Right now I'm using one that came in one of my boxes, so not worried about that. And then I have the Equate Extra Comfort Dental Floss in Mint. This is not something I would purchase myself. Actually, how we came about this, we got a 2-pack of this because Austin's mom placed a Walmart order for delivery to her condo, and somehow there was dental floss in their order, which her and grandma both have dentures, so neither of them really need dental floss. So she's like, well, I'm not gonna use this, do you guys want it? And I'm like, yeah, sure, whatever, free floss. So I used this. We have another container of this. I don't think it's particularly great floss, but I'm not picky about floss, so yeah, I wouldn't repurchase, but it was free, so there's that. I guess this is still kind of body. I guess this is all the stuff that's left is all like body scent care type stuff. So I finished the Orzen Alps Natural Deodorant in Fresh Ocean Splash. Now the first time I used this a while back, because I've had this for a while and just never really used it, it didn't do too much for me, but this time around pulling it back out to finish it, I actually really liked this. I might be moving this to the top of my list, honestly. I am quite a fan. It does have what is traditionally thought of as a more masculine scent, but I don't care. It smells amazing. The only thing is, once you get to a certain spot, it won't twist up anymore, so I don't even know how I'm going to get this part out. I'm probably going to have to dig it out in order to clean the thing and recycle this. So that's kind of annoying, but I like this, and I definitely think it's something that I will repurchase in the future because it was great. And then 2 more scents. As I'm working my way through my Penrose scents, we have Pillow Talk Poet and Little Dipper, and I have the same thoughts on both of these, so I'll just go ahead and tell you both of them. Well, actually, let me tell you the scent. So Pillow Talk Poet is Powder, Amber, and Musk, and the, what was this one? Little Dipper is Peony, Lavender. Both of these smell really nice, but disappear on me really quickly. Like, the scents just don't linger around. I think they're both really pretty scents, and were they stronger, I may be interested in purchasing one of them, but they're just not very strong. They don't stick around for very long. I don't smell them on myself after a couple hours, which is kind of annoying. So both of these, very nice, but not something I'd repurchase. Now, maybe if you're into more subtle scents, I would look into these, but these were a little too subtle for me. And can you believe it? That is actually everything. I just did not have very many empties this month, which, you know, it happens when you're actually using your products and not just dumping them for a video, because you're not going to tell me some people haven't done that. Whatever, I won't get into that. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with most of these empties. A lot of these are things that are favorites. Pacifica face washes, Hello Dental Care, this Orzen Alps deodorant. So good month for empties, I guess. And if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I will do my best to link to anything you see me wearing here down in the description box below if I can find it or something similar. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!